Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is on how to do partial match in VLOOKUP function using the wildcard character in Google Sheets. First of all, let's understand the data. Here in this sheet, I have some smartphone model names and their quantity sold. In the second table, I have to fill the quantity sold information for the smartphones that are given here. And if you notice, the smartphone name given here in the second table doesn't exactly match with the source data. If you see this Galaxy Z Fold, here in the source data it is given as Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, but here only Galaxy Z Fold is given. So in this case, we have to do partial matching while using the VLOOKUP. If you use here the regular VLOOKUP function, you'll get this not available error because the smartphone name given here doesn't exactly match here in the source data. So in this case, we have to use the partial matching by using the wildcard character, which is the asterisk symbol. Let's write here the formula by using the wildcard character. Press equal to, use VLOOKUP, bracket open. In the search key parameter, put a double quotation, asterisk symbol, double quotation, and then click on the search value, that is the value in the D5 cell. So click on this, then put the and symbol again, then double quotation, asterisk symbol, double quotation, then put a comma. Now in the range parameter, select this data range starting from A4 to A23. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, which applies the dollar symbols. Put a comma. In the index number, put 2 because the quantity sold is in the second column of the source data table. So put here 2, comma, and in the each sorted option, put false. Then close bracket, press enter. Click on the tick mark to fill the formula down, and here you see the quantity sold information is picked up from the source data in this second table. Let's verify one result. The quantity sold of Nokia Pure View is given as 6 unit, which is picked up from this cell. Here you see Nokia Pure View has 6 unit sold, and it has done the partial matching. In the source data, it is given as Nokia Pure View 2025 edition, and here it is only Nokia Pure View, and the formula has done partial matching of this character only. So in this way, you can do partial matching in VLOOKUP formula in Google Sheets by using the wildcard character, that is the asterisk symbol. If you want to practice this, you can get this sample data from the link given in the video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.